Ndewo. Thank you for joining us in another section of this video. Remember, we are still discussing on the topic Igbo words for different parts of the human body. I remain Tito Chigoron Promise. Before we proceed, please don't forget to like the video, share, drop your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to the YouTube channel Learn Igbo by Conversation for more updates. Let's proceed. Kaiganiru. How do we say teeth? Easy. How do we say gum? Anyụrụ eze. How do we say tongue? Ire. How do we say gargle? Igbugbocha ọnụ. How do we say spit? Igbo aso. How do we say neck? Olu. How do we say throat? Akpịrị. How do we say shoulder? Ugwu aka. How do we say armpit? Mkpaabụ. How do we say back? Azụ. How do we say bottom? Ike. Join me in the next video where we'll take a look at more Igbo words for different parts of the body. Meanwhile, if you're interested in learning the Igbo language properly, join our LIDC classes for just £3 an hour. You can book our classes on our website. Our website address is in the description box. Our website address is learnibo-byconversation.com. Don't forget to like the video, share, and subscribe to the channel for more updates. See you in the next video.